arukukingaho umworeko gw'ebyobwegyese ogwesurwe Education and Careers Expo 2025 ogumaze rebero nahari ntare skuru aho muri Mbarara yashaba ebyobwegyese okutamani ombi ya sayansi hamwe n'ebya karimagezi.
I would like to use this occasion to reiterate my call to the institutions of learning to guide their students to make wise career choices by selecting science and technology-related subjects.
Work sacrificially, let us focus on ensuring that every learner develops to full potential and becomes an adult who will contribute to their personal, family, community, and national development.
Major Poyajokera Mukuru w'Ihanga President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni obira yesurwe nk'omugenyi mukuru kandi omukushomo obutumwa bwa Mukuru w'Ihanga yaraganisa kuba rukwija kongera amaani omu bintu ebirahwera beji okutunga obwegyese burungi.
Students must be equipped to adapt to the rapidly changing global economy, which is mainly driven by science and technology.
As we look ahead, I would like to take this opportunity to make humble request. We envision the Education and Career Expo not as a one-time event, but as an ongoing initiative that continues to grow and inspire future generations of students.
Ogu bwanyuma yiguraho bararo bw'abejo bwombecurwe gavumenti ahishomerere rya Ntare kandi bumazireho biliyoni 2 omusente za Uganda ahabwa TV West Ndyamusiimanta.